हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक ऑन योर फेवरेट चैनल नीट प्रेप फॉर बायोलॉजी बाय एजे। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, इस चैनल पे हम बायोलॉजी के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करते हैं जो कि आपके नीट एग्जाम के लिए मच इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। सो हियर वी स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर. Question 1. Fruits are not formed in gymnosperm because first fertilization is absent, second pollination is absent, third seeds are not formed, fourth ovary is absent. I repeat the question. Fruits are not formed in gymnosperm because, and the correct answer is fourth one, that is ovary is absent. Question second. Vessels and companion cells are found in fourth Pteridophyta, second Gnetum, fourth Ephedra, fourth Angiosperm. I repeat the question. Vessels and companion cells are found in, and the correct answer is fourth one, that is Angiosperm. Question third. Sequoia belongs to Cycadophylicales, third Gnetales, third Coniferals, fourth Dicots. I repeat the question. Sequoia belongs to, and the correct answer is third one, that is Coniferals. Question 4. Double fertilization and triple fusion are characteristics of first spermatophyta, second gymnosperm, third petridophyta, fourth angiosperms. I repeat the question. Double fertilization and triple fusion are characteristics of, and the correct answer for the fourth question is fourth one, that is angiosperms. Question 5th. The antherozoid of fern are first uniflagellate, second biflagellate, third quadriflagellate, fourth multiflagellate. I repeat the question. The antherozoids of ferns are, and the answer for the fifth question is fourth one, that is multiflagellate. Question 6th. Which one of the following characteristics is shared by all arthropods? First, complete metamorphosis, second, wings, third, jointed appendages, fourth, tracheal system. I repeat the question. Which of the following characteristics is shared by all arthropods? And the correct answer for the sixth question is third one, that is jointed appendages. Question 7. Cockroach, housefly and mosquitoes are insects because they have first chitinous exoskeleton and body divided into head and cephalothorax. Second, 6-leg compound eyes and body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Third question, segmented body with jointed feet and chitinous exoskeleton. Fourth one, 3 pairs of legs, 1 pair of antenna and flame cells. I repeat the question. Cockroach, housefly and mosquitoes are insects because they have, and the correct answer for the seventh question is second one, that is 6-leg compound eyes and body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. Question 8. The distinguishing feature of all chordates is first, a ventrically placed nerve cord, second, a water vascular system, third, a chitinous exoskeleton, fourth, an elastic rod, that is notochord. I repeat the question. The distinguished features of all chordate is, and the correct answer is fourth one, that is an elastic cord, that is notochord. Question 9. Kidney in amphibian is first protonephric, second mesonephric, third archaeonephric, fourth metanephric. I repeat the question. Kidney in amphibian is, and the correct answer for the ninth question is second one, that is mesonephric. Question 10. Features of birds are modified. First, epidermal scales, second bony scales, third plates, fourth scutes. I repeat the question. Feathers of birds are modified, and the correct answer is first one, that is epidermal scales. Question 11. Neurospora, which is popularly known as Drosophila of plant kingdom, belongs to first Phycomycetes, second Ascomycetes, third Basidiomycetes, fourth Deuteromycetes. Neurospora, which is popularly known as Drosophila of plant kingdom, belongs to, and the correct answer is second one, that is Ascomycetes. Question 12. Shell of diatoms is made up of first silica, second calcium carbonate, third keratin, fourth calcium oxalate. I repeat the question. Shell of diatoms is made up of, and the correct answer for the 12th question is first one, that is silica. Question 13. Fertility of soil is increased by first nitrogen fixing bacteria, second denitrifying bacteria, third plasma fourth cell membrane. I repeat the question. Fertility of soil is increased by, and the correct answer for the 13th question is first one, that is nitrogen fixing bacteria. Question 14. Plasmid are first virus, second new types of microorganism, third extra chromosome genetic material of bacteria, fourth essential bacterial genetic material. I repeat the question. Plasmids are, and the correct answer for the 14th question is third one, that is extra chromosomal genetic material of bacteria. Question 15. Phylogeny refers to first natural classification, second evolutionary classification, third evolutionary history, fourth origin of algae. I repeat the question. Phylogeny refers to, and the correct answer is third one, that is evolutionary history. Thank you friends for watching NEET Prep for Biology by AJ. Please do like, share that how much you have, comment that how much you have scored from these 15 questions, and please share with your friends so they can also gain knowledge. Keep smiling. Bye bye.